Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Blackfield, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Benton, Linden, Elk Grove, Rui, Platte Mounds, Calamine, Lead Mine, and London. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.